Welcome to the AI Toolkit Online. Now, in this video, we'll explore the affiliates feature. It's a powerful way to earn rewards by promoting AI Toolkit to your network. Imagine getting AI Toolkit for free simply by referring your peers in your network to AI Toolkit. So here's how to get started. Log into your dashboard, select the affiliates feature down below. And I'll find it. There we go. This tool provides everything you need to share the AI Toolkit online and earn commissions easily. So once you join, you'll receive a personalized referral link. Share this link with your audience via email, social media, or your website. In this case, you can see the affiliate link here. You simply copy, send it off to your peers, or so when they subscribe to a paid plan using your referral link, that's when you get paid. So how much do you get paid? You get paid 10% of the plan that they select. So our plans run from $2 or $29 a month to $79 a month. So from their first purchase, you start to begin earning recurring commissions. It's not a one-time only thing. So anyway, monitor your performance with real-time analytics. You can also track clicks, signups, and your earnings directly from the affiliates dashboard. Easily withdraw your earnings or apply them as credit towards your AI Toolkit online services to grow your business. Like I said, you can earn AI Toolkit for free simply by referring. So the affiliates feature turns your advocacy into rewards. You like what you see? I'm sure you can make some money from it as well. So log in today, start sharing, and grow with AI Toolkit online.